We've talked about creating bookmarks from websites before, but what about from documents on your desktop? Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to show you how to do that in Scrivener 3 for Windows. First, open up the inspector and go to the Bookmarks section. In the pull-down menu, select whether you want project bookmarks or document bookmarks. I'm choosing document here, so these will only be linked to this specific document. Then all you have to do is find the document you want to link on your desktop and drag it into the box. It will load that item. If it's an image, it will show a slightly bigger than thumbnail size of the image. If it's a compatible other word processor document, it will convert the text for easy reference. It will do this every time you click on it. If it's a PDF, it will show the contents. If it's a spreadsheet, it will be a simple link. MP3s and videos will work in the same way as they did when we were copying them to the research area of the binder. If you want to know more about importing MP3s, check out this video here.